Hisense U7N versus the TCL C855. Which 4K LED TV is better? So let's start with the Hisense. It offers a mini LED Pro backlight, which is up to 144Hz refresh. It supports HDR performance and then the HDR10 Dolby Vision IQ. And it has a VIDA OS with modern features, plus a good connectivity. It also has a strong overall value, which many reviews point out it gives off much of what premium TV offers at lower costs. The cons though, there are a brightness and contrast which is good but not class leading. They also have a local dimming control which can suffer under certain lighting, and the audio performance is not that good. Now TCL C855 on the other hand is a premium QLED mini LED 4K TV with a very high peak brightness, so many local dimming zones and a high refresh rate. So it offers is exceptional brightness, which is up to 3500 nits. They also have a massive number of local dimming zones. They have a very strong gaming performance, a great HDR support, and even a premium audio system inbuilt. The only problem is they have a higher price compared to other platforms or TVs. They are also bulk cost in larger sizes, and they only have two HDMI ports. So go with TCL C855 if you want one of the best HDR performance TV, and go with the Hisense U7N if you want an excellent value and a higher refresh gaming rate TV.